All right, then as I mentioned earlier, tragedy struck in Pune as an old iron bridge collapsed amid heavy rainfall, killing 4 and injuring 51 people. Now, this was triggered by a surge in the Indrayani River that swept away several people as tourists crowded the area. Let's go across to Rucha of Times Network, who's getting us the ground report.
The rescue team is back here in the morning. Yesterday, the rescue operation by NDRF was stopped due to the situation, due to the darkness in the area. But in the morning, it has begun again, and many people are The rescue team is back here in the morning. Yesterday, the rescue operation by NDRF was stopped due to the situation, due to the darkness in the area. But in the morning, it has begun again, and many people are still missing, is what the families are telling us. This is the location at Talegaon Dabhade. This is Indrayani River, which we can see, and the bridge which has collapsed is located on Kundmala waterfall. This is a very famous tourist spot here in Pune, and people were gathered here only to enjoy the view of this location and to enjoy a monsoon Sunday. But it later turned out to be a tragedy, and due to the weight of the bridge, due to the people, lots of people were standing on the bridge on the same time. The bridge couldn't take the weight, and the structure we can see has fallen down is made of iron only, but the rest of the bridge's part is made of cement. Only the part which is exactly above the river area is made of iron and was not in good condition. And now this is a 30-year-old bridge, and the locals have continuously reported many complaints about this location, about new bridge they were demanding. But despite the government's sanctioning of a new bridge, this bridge was not closed properly. There are some warning signboards put here, but despite that, the tourists continue to use this bridge, and this was actually supposed to be only for the usage of pedestrians, because this bridge connects the two villages. We can see behind the temple there's another village, and this is the only way that the pedestrians, the villagers, could walk here and there, and this was meant for pedestrians only. But the people who witnessed this told us that for almost 4 to 5 minutes the entire bridge was shaking, and there were bikes on the bridge. In the structure, we can see in the iron structure that has fallen into the river, there are 3 bikes stuck even now, and it was very difficult to take them out because of the flow of the river is so fast. It is orange alert in Ghat areas of Pune, and since 2-3 days in many parts of Pune, waterlogging was also reported, and the water level is continuously increasing, which made it very difficult for the NDRF and the rescue teams to rescue people out. Now 51 people are admitted to the nearest 4 hospitals, and 4 people have unfortunately lost their lives, while some families are still saying that their family members are missing.